In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule messages on Slack. Scheduling messages can be an incredibly useful feature, especially when you're managing a team across different time zones or when you need to ensure a message goes out at a specific time. So, let's dive in and learn how to do this step by step. First off, you'll want to navigate to the Slack website. Once there, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on Sign In. It's a simple step, but it's crucial if you're not already logged into your account. If you're using Slack for the first time or on a new device, you might need to sign in using your preferred method. For this walkthrough, we'll use Google, which is a common choice for many users. After you've clicked on Google, you'll be prompted to sign in using your Google account. Make sure you have that information handy and just follow the usual sign-in procedure. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Slack homepage. This is your central hub for accessing different channels and features within Slack. Now, navigate to the specific channel where you want to schedule your message. This could be a team channel, a project-specific channel, or even a direct message if that's what suits your needs. Once you're in the desired channel, you can start typing the message you want to schedule. Take your time to craft the message carefully, as you would any other. Just because it's scheduled doesn't mean it should be any less clear or concise. With your message ready, direct your attention to the bottom right of your screen. You'll see a Send button with a drop-down arrow beside it. Click on that drop-down arrow. This opens up a few options, and from here, you'll want to select Custom Time. Choosing this allows you to set a specific date and time for your message to go out. Set your preferred date and time by simply selecting the options from the calendar and clock interface that will appear. Consider any time zones or scheduling preferences your recipients might have to ensure your message reaches them at the most effective time. Once you've chosen your desired time slot, the final step is to click on Schedule Message. With just that click, your message is queued to go out exactly when you want it to, giving you peace of mind. And there you have it. You've successfully scheduled a message on Slack. Whether you're sending reminders, updates, or announcements, scheduling messages can make communication within your team more efficient and less stressful. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.